Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Legacy Boy. Anyway, it's a cliche thing. So let's begin. Here I'm going to teach you how to install all the previous Ubuntu wallpapers which you loved it, and in the new version there aren't any wonderful wallpapers or you will get bored. And if you want previous wallpapers, you can do this. It's a simple command. I'll put it in my description so that you can copy it and paste it in the terminal. So after copying and pasting in terminal, it's installed, and in my system it's already installed. So here it is. I will show you. So change background and you will see all other wallpapers from previous versions of Ubuntu. And there are kinds of wallpapers from Ubuntu 19.04 LTS, and clockwork is from Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, and this is my favorite one because it's kind of vintage model. And we'll see our all other wallpapers here. It's kind of good to have this much wallpapers in your system because the Ubuntu only gives like small, like limited number of wallpapers, right? So if you do this, you will get a lots of wallpapers, and you will not get bored from repeating the same wallpaper. You can change to other wallpapers. And this is Bionic Beaver from 18.04 LTS, and the big wheel you see here on the church, it is from 19.04. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this. So bye.